是第一次做，我觉得我很开心，因为我觉得它很像，很刺激又很好玩。
How did building this make you feel today?
Really relaxed and calm. I think it was a great de-stressor.
How did today make you feel?
Great. This was amazing, and it was really nice to meet up with locals in the community who also enjoy doing this too.
What surprised you the most about this build?
How much I enjoyed it.
How does building this make you feel today?
Today it made me feel creative, relaxed, a little bit stressed, but it was fun.
Thank you, Robotime!